Hey everyone, this is Chris from Tennant Painting Studio, and today we're going to be talking about our forest basing scheme. So to do the forest basing scheme, you're going to need just 3 paints. From Games Workshop we have the Sterling Battlemire and the Graveyard Earth, and from Vallejo we're using their Bone White. Of course, if you have any other colours you have at home, make sure to check out the handy conversion charts that are available online or on our Facebook page. The first thing you're going to do is coat the base using the Sterling Battlemire. Now this is a texture paint, which means that you don't actually need to put any sand on the base first. Just apply it straight on in quite a thick coat as well, and you need to leave that for about 30 minutes to dry. Once that's done, you're now going to give it a highlight using the Graveyard Earth. And once that's done, you're going to give it a dry brush using the Bone White. It really is as quick and easy as that. Once all of that's dried for a good 10 minutes or so, you're now going to apply some static grass. You'll notice that when the way that the Battlemire has actually dried, there'll be some barer patches. So this is the area I like to focus in with the static grass. For this base, I'm going for quite a light spring sort of feel to the base, so I'm using quite a bright, vibrant green. Of course, you can use darker colours or anything else you have that will affect the sort of tone of the base as well. And once that's dried, I'm now going to add a little bit of foliage. I had already some little tiny leaves which I got from a model train shop, and I mixed that in with some green tea. Once that's mixed up properly, all I did then was just apply it around the edges where the static grass is and really blend it in. And finally, just to add a little bit of extra detail to this base, I'm using a little bit of water effects. Now, I've had this bottle for many years, and all you need to do is apply it using a brush in the same way as PVA glue. In fact, it looks a lot like PVA glue as well when it goes on, but don't worry. You want it to be about 1 millimeter or so thick when you put it on. This paint will take around about 30 minutes to dry, but it's best to leave it overnight as it can still be quite tacky to the touch, and you want a nice crisp clean surface when it's finished. Once that's done, it will look like this. It really is a nice and quick base to do, and we'll actually be using this for our Wood Elf army, which is coming out over the next few months, so keep an eye out for that. Another nice little tip with the water effects is if you want to make the feet of the model that you're putting on it look wet, then get a little bit of gloss varnish and just splash it up the sides. This will make a nice, quick, simple, wet look on the model. And if you've enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out all our other tutorials as well, on all other basing schemes. Make sure to check us out on Facebook, and we'll see you in the next video. Just a reminder, if you enjoy this kind of content, then subscribe to the channel for more. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon. Just $2 a month goes a very long way to keeping the channel going and providing new content every single week. Make sure to follow us on social media. We'll see you in the next video.